Hey everyone, it's Grace and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm so excited to do this video. Actually, kailan ko ba binili yung mga products? I think, was it Friday last week? Kaso hindi ko siya na-complete lahat kasi may mga kulang nung bumili ako. So, kakauwi ko lang and ito na! Yay! So, we're gonna do the 500 pesos makeup challenge. I know this challenge has been on YouTube for like years, pero kasi I've been exploring a lot of local makeup, so gusto ko rin gawin yung 500 pesos makeup challenge. I hope you guys don't mind, but yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got first, and here we go. So, kahit budget kayo guys, kahit naka-budget kayo, importante pa rin ang skincare, lalo ang SPF. So, I have this one from iWhite Korea. Feeling ko, like sa lahat ng challenges, lagi may iWhite Korea. But I have the facial cream. This is the Whitening Vita. It's 3-in-1. It has whitening. It's also makeup based. Also has protection and it has an SPF of 15. It's not the highest SPF, but at least my SPF. So, got this one. Then the other thing I got, wait lang. Guys, hi. Okay. Then the other thing I got, yun diba? Yun. So we're gonna go to eyebrows and eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use one palette for that. This is the Nicka New York Perfect Nude palette. It has 9 eyeshadows. So if ever you're on a budget, it's nice to pick an eyeshadow palette that has both shimmers, shimmers, satins, and also mattes. Next is base. As in, iniwasan kong bumili ng mga products na meron na sa ibang videos kasi nahirapan na bumili ng base. So, this is the only thing I can think of. This is the iWhite Korea BB Holic. Actually, madami ako sa shade nito. I have like 4 still. Kasi before, when I first tried this, they didn't have the tube version. They already have the tube version now. So, yeah, I have it in the shade light. Yung light nila, it's not actually light. But yeah, I have the shade light. Then, to set everything, I have the Lewis & Pearl Body and Face Powder. When I first saw this in SM department store, they only had this scent, which is the white blush. Madami pala siyang scents. I didn't know. It's my first time trying this. And they actually have the one with an SPF. I think yung kulay blue yung may SPF nila. And then, yeah, so I got this. As I said, bronzer would be coming from this palette. Actually, itong matte orange you can use as a blush. So, ayun, naisip ko lang multi-purpose siya, ganun. So, but for blush and lips, I actually bought the Careline Lippie. Naka-sale siya, 55 pesos. Originally, 90 pesos to. Actually, just bought it today. Ayun guys, so sobrang long-lasting siya. So, I was fairly surprised. Kinuha ko lang siya kasi naka-sale siya. I was actually looking for the Aido regular, what's it? Aido Classic, yung regular. Yung ito. Kasi I have the Aido lipsticks. I've had this for years na and I still use it. This is in the shade number C, letter C. It's like a brownish red and I really, really like this. Kaso wala na yung maliliit, yung ganito lang kaliit, yung 25 pesos. Yun yung nakalagay ko sa 500 pesos makeup challenge ko. Kaso hindi ko siya nahanap. So, nakita ko to on sale. And I know you hate like these 500 pesos makeup challenges. Naka-sale naman kasi hindi naman lagi naka-sale. So, may 50 pesos na Aido. I think these are now 55. They used to sell them for 50. Pero yun. So, itong gagamitin ko today kasi mas gusto ko yung shade nito. So, for my lips, for my cheeks, and that's my lips, this one. Then, last product is actually mascara. So, as in, inisip ko na bumili na lang ng false eyelashes na may glue, which I actually bought sa Landmark yung 39.75 na eyelashes. Kaso kasi, gusto ko yung 500 pesos makeup challenge, pwede nyo magamit like every day, something very wearable. So, sino ba nagko-false eyelashes every day? So, naisip ko na lang ito. This is the Bilena Power Curl Waterproof Mascara. First time ko ma-try ito. The reason why I got this was because of Miss Ann Klutz. She reviewed the Bilena products. Tapos nilagay niya rin to sa favorites niya for Feb. And then also another YouTuber, si Kenny Manalad, I think. Lagi niya tong nire-rave. So, sa favorites niya rin niya. Okay, hair's tied, so let's start off with the iWhite Korea facial cream, which I need scissors for. Medyo madami-dami nakuha ko, guys. Whoops. Whitening baka mo. It's so white. But, yeah, it's actually really light on the skin. It has a matte finish. I could understand why it could act as a makeup base. So, surprisingly nice. I didn't expect it to be this light. So, move on to our eyebrows because key light is life. So, you guys can see how sparse my eyebrows are. So we're gonna use the Nicka New York Perfect Nude palette. So excited to use this one, and I love the colors that are in it. I'm loving that gold shade. So yeah, exciting. So there we go. Ang ganda ng shades, guys. Let's move on to eyes. We don't have any eye primer. Hindi uso yun sa local makeup at wala tayong budget pang eye primer. So, nakikita natin yung powers nitong eyeshadow na to. So, I'm just gonna glide through this para hindi tayo masyado magtagal. So, yeah, and then I'll just show you which colors I'm choosing. But I'm gonna start off with this one, which is a transition shade. So, I'm just gonna take my fluffy brush and pick this one up. Oh, in fairness, walang eye primer. Maganda. As I said, hindi ko magagamit yung Bilena color pencil kasi lalagpas na tayo ng 18 pesos 50 cents. So, ito sana gagamitin kong eyeliner. So, now I'm just gonna use this one. Sana magawa natin ng tama. So, yeah. So, sana kumapit siya. Kumapit ka! So, yeah. Let's do this. So, mamaya natin ulit babalikan ng eye makeup. So, we will use the iWhite Korea BB Holic. I have it in the shade Light. Even if na konti lang coverage na to, gustong-gusto ko to kasi nai-even out na yung skin. So, ito yung light. Yung light nila, guys, as in, saktong-sakto sa shade ko. face makeup done. You guys could see very natural yung coverage niya and just evens out your skin really nicely. Oh, diba? Super love this. Overall base, sobrang ganda. So, if you haven't tried the Holic from iWhite Korea, highly suggest you guys do. Sobra. Every time I use this, I get so many compliments. Of course, talagang hindi makakover lahat. Pero like, guys, hello. Oh, it's not bad. So, to set everything, dami kong... To set everything, I'm gonna use the Lewis & Pearl Body and Face Powder. This one is in White Blush. So that is face makeup done. Then going back to the Nicka New York palette, and again we're gonna use that shade, which I think would work well as a bronzer. Ganyan yung bronze niya. Wait lang, natakot ako. Siguro itong shade muna sa taas. Pero let's see. I think it will render a bit so, ito yung dalawang shades. Nakikita nyo ba? Sorry wait. Swatch natin ulit. Ganyan. Itong dalawang shades. Pero, medyo orangey yung isa. I think I'm just gonna go with my original choice. Ito. So, sana mag-work. Matindi ang white, flashback ni Lewis & Pearl. Kasi mukha pa rin siyang white, pero in person, guys, sobrang bronze ng aking skin. Hindi naman sobra, pero yung tamang bronze lang. Going back to the eyes, kuha tayo ng mascara. So, first time ko tayo to try the Bilena Power Curl Mascara. Ang ganda, nalagyan siya ng BB Holic. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya. So, sabi ni Miss Anne, medyo lumalaban na to kay Hyper Curl. Minsan, yung Hyper Curl, naka-sale siya. So, if may konting budget pa naman tayo, pwede nyo nang bilhin yung Hyper Curl, which is like my favorite mascara. So, aray. So, yan. Tapos na yung ating eye makeup. Very impressed with the Power Curl. Yung brush lang, medyo hindi ko siya sobrang gusto. But the formula, I love it. It's not too wet. It's not too dry. So, it's my type of formula. So, moving on to cheeks. Careline Lippie. I have it in the shade First Date. Ang cute ng packaging. Wala lang. Parang lip balm. Oh! Ang ganda ng shade niya, guys, actually. Ganda-ganda. Okay. So, ilalagay ko lang to sa aking hand. Nicka and I'm gonna use this shade. I think I can use it as a highlight. Tingnan nga natin. There it is, 500 pesos makeup challenge. feeling ko naman nag-survive naman tayo, guys. Hindi naman ganon kapangit ang ating makeup ngayong araw. I feel like we succeeded. So, yeah, if you guys like these videos and if ever you like local products, I'm really exploring a lot of local products today, so I'm definitely be reviewing the Power Curl. I feel like sobrang wow. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys like this video, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click the notification bell right beside it so you'll be notified if I upload new videos here and there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.